Hey guys, it's Lam here again, your tech guide, and today's video I'll be showing you guys my setup on the DJI Ronin SC. So I did post up a quick video 2 days ago, and the clarity of the video wasn't clear, so I'm making another one here so that you guys could actually see what I've got set up on my DJI Ronin SC. As you can see right now, I'm actually using the active tracking, and it is pretty much following me wherever I am moving to. I could even pretty much go 360. As you can see right there. So let me try to film it as it moves while I move as well. So it's quite pretty accurate, guys. It is literally following me. So let's go a little bit closer and show you guys what my setup is. So right now I'm using the Sony a6500. I've got Sigma 16 f1.4 along with the breakthrough ND filter and an adapter, Galaxy S10 Plus there to activate the active tracking, and I've got the Road Link wireless system. Let's move around some more, and of course I've got my small HD monitor right there with a little bracket extension here, which you could purchase on Amazon. I got it attached to my carbon fiber Manfrotto with the Be-Free fluid head. And on my 6500, I've got a small rig cage there. And that's pretty much my setup, guys. As you can see from the top right there, it is just following me wherever I am going, guys. And also I did purchase an extension for the small HD. Usually the one that comes with it, I think it's only 8-inch long. This one I think is probably around almost 2 feet long. So you definitely need to get one of these cable if you are gonna try to take advantage of the active tracking. And also I'll be showing you guys how to activate the active tracking. But anyways, let's take advantage of this active tracking. I'll show you guys some more. I'm gonna try to run around here and see how accurate and responsive this active tracking can really go to. So let me just try to move my setup here. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right there. And to reset, you just have to press the back trigger button here to reset the target of the person that you wanna lock it down to. Okay. And then you could repress at the back again if you wanna find another face to lock the active tracking. So press the trigger button in the back, boom, and I should be locked in. All right, so I'm gonna try to run about here and see how responsive and effective this active tracking is. Okay, so it's still chasing me down here. I'm pretty much at the end of the street here, and it might probably have lost me. So I'm gonna come back again. And it looks like it is picking me up. Okay, let me try to lower it down a bit. And also let me see how many minutes I have left here. Okay, let's trace my face again, press the trigger button. And boom. All right, I'm gonna try to run now. I'm gonna try to run this time, guys. Okay. Oh wow, it is still tracking me, guys. It is still tracking me. Okay. Okay, oh wow, it picked me up. It picked me up. It really just picked me up just like that. Okay, I'm gonna run again. Okay, it lost me there, guys. And there you go, it picked me up. And here I am, guys. What an amazing technology. Such an amazing technology. I can even crouch down and it's following me like that. Stand up. I could even jump. Okay. So jogging, it looks like it can pick it up quite easily if you're just jogging like this. Okay, so I'm gonna try to pick up the pace and run quite fast. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna go fast again. Oh wow, guys. It literally picked me up. Okay, it lost me there. But let's get back to frame. Oh. Okay, there you go. Whew. It is really amazing, guys. Whew. I am tired. Who needs a second or a cameraman to film you guys? Why, when you have this technology? We could do a 360 middle of the street here, guys. Hold on, let me see if it's focusing me. There you go. Right, I'm gonna do a 360 walking around here. Such an amazing technology, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to run fast now. All right, so as you can see, the active tracking is amazing, guys. There's literally no competition when it comes to feature with other gimbals out there. The DJI Ronin SC is pretty much my go-to gimbal when it comes to feature and other things as well. But anyways, I'll show you guys how to activate the active tracking. So to activate your active tracking, what you need to do is download the Ronin app. Okay, once you have downloaded that, make sure your smartphone device is mounted on top of your camera. If it's mounted to the side, it will not work, guys. It has to be mounted on top of your camera. So once you have done that, you open your app, your Ronin app, and you want to connect it to Ronin SC, whatever the number you see there. Make sure that you've got your Bluetooth and location turned on. And once you have that done, you just press that and it should show this at the bottom. You press OK and it looks like we are connected. Once you are connected, you go to create and go to active track. And that's pretty much it, guys. You are fully activated. And if you want to lock down someone or track someone, all you have to do is press the trigger button on the back here. So you don't have to go like this, tap with your hand to lock onto someone. All you have to do is just press the trigger button on the back here, which is very convenient. And that's how you activate your active tracking on your DJI SC gimbal. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any other further questions, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.